Currently the 19th of December, Monday at 10 a.m. Just doing a little trade review. Meditation this morning, check news, did not check news. Looked at watch list. The most interesting thing was the GC. I was looking more on the bullish opportunity here, as we do have higher time frame oversold extremes the price is coming off of, both in the 4 hour and here on the 1 hour. Lower time frame, intermediate time frame, 15-minute. We have a potential bullish pattern in my estimation, which is a bullish ascending triangle. However, nothing to trade until we get a break of this, possibly a pullback to test that breakout area of support, then a move higher for the pattern target. So in the meantime, I was looking at a possible lower time frame trade that I could take off of that intermediate resistance, which was a 15-minute swing high. We have two here. We have an extreme in Globex. We have a second test with a bearish divergence dropping down to the 5-minute time frame. What I saw here was potentially a first thrust off of that second high with a pullback into fib resistance, and then a move back down to test swing lows, where initially on the first trade I was looking for a bullish move. At these swing lows, I took a lower time frame 2-unit trade off of those second test of those swing lows, with the idea we covered the first area of resistance, which was the 1-minute trend line, which I did, moving the stop to break even. Break even stop was stopped out as price pulled back for a second test, as I saw it, of lower time frame swing high resistance. I then decided that I would enter short on the break of that second test and failure, which I did, increasing my size 2x, 2 times. So I was short 4 cars, where on the first trade I was long 2 cars. I covered 2 cars at the first area of support, which again is this 1-minute swing low. So I covered the first half, and then took the second half off at the pattern target, which was the ABC down here at 141.2. So target was hit, pattern was successful, traded this according to plan, and the results of the GC trades. Again, the first trade was an attempt to go long, covered half at T1, covered half at break even. Then on the second trade, I reversed direction, playing that 5-minute ABC down off of a higher time frame support resistance, and that pattern was successful, and the initial risk on that was so the initial risk on that 4-unit short was 200. Net taken out of that trade was 215, so it was just over a 1 hour trade.